Hello there. This video is intended as a companion piece for the SharpeSoft Database Questionnaire. You will have the opportunity for questions and discussion further along in the handoff process, but right now we're just going to briefly go over how to fill out the questionnaire itself. So first off, the questionnaire is split up into two different sheets for a bit more convenience. We'll be focusing here on the first half of the questionnaire. Everything you see, all of these tabs, is all part of the first half, but everything we go over here is going to be applicable to both. So first page right here, we have the overview. Basically just tells you, the tabs that you're going to see down here, what to expect, how the information is going to be presented like so in the questionnaire, and then a reminder that you can submit your company logo, but that will come later. So we're going to talk about basically the most important tab here next. So a few other tabs in the sheet, which are labeled over here, and then they're also down here. They will have information that you can select from drop-down menus instead of manually typing everything in. So we hope this will cut down a little bit on the headache, but you also have the ability to enter text in manually as well. So for example, we have system users and we have system users down here. So if we go to system users and we click within the user group column here, you can see we have a few different options. For our drop-down menu, there's also a blank option in case you make a mistake or you don't want that to go where it is. Same thing with the user level. And all of this is completely customizable. You can talk with your Sharp representative further in your handoff meeting if you basically want to import your own information in here if you want. All of the stuff you see right here, we can go further out here. This is all defaulted information. It can be changed, it can be altered. You don't even have to pay attention to it if you want, but it's here for your convenience. So if we move on, we have company and offices. Basically just import all of your information in here. This stuff is going to be all on you, as it were. We have the system users. We have a few different screenshots of what the windows will look like inside the program once you're actually entering the information. And we can just keep going through. We have the labor list. Like the system users, if we come back here to the data table, you can see that we have the group description and the group code are potential drop-down menu items. So we come back here, group description, open that up. We have foreman, laborer, all of our options here. And again, if, say, maybe we don't want a welder. Maybe we have a special group. So we will just call this special. And we'll change the group code to be SPC. So now, if we come back to the same thing, we have our special option here. But for now, let's go back here into the data table. We will switch this back to the welder group. We will return to the labor list. We will delete these out. And just to show you that you don't need to select from the drop-down menu, all you need to do is double-click inside the cell, and you can do your special group. You can do whatever it needs to be. And just like that, it pretty much applies to every other tab here, so that is pretty much it. Any questions, again, you can bring those up to your SharpeSoft representative as we get further along here in the handoff process. We hope this has been helpful, and we hope you have a good handoff. Thanks. Bye.